In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to turn these images into a grid gallery like this guy needs help with. So in this case, go back to your Wix website editor and then go over here and click Add Elements and jump to Gallery right here, like so. Just go to Pro Galleries right here, and then we need to choose this one that's called a thumbnail, as we can add unlimited pictures to the slide. Once it's loaded in, you can simply go here and click Manage Media, and then you can upload all of the images. You can see in this example there's already 13 images uploaded here, but you can just select all and delete them if you want to. And then you can also go on Settings right here and you can choose the layout of the gallery. So in this case, I think what this guy was looking for was kind of a scrolling option here, but this is a scrolling option. You can see the small arrows here. You can also do a slideshow where I don't have any small pictures underneath. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And once you're happy with everything, you can simply go up and save it, or if you're ready to publish it onto your website, click Publish. But yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions at all, and I'll try my best to help you.